Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have HMD XR21 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage it, open our Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose Add to Home, Settings, and hit Password Manager, and there we have password which our smartphone remember. To manage it, click on it. Now we must enter our look screen if we want to manage it, we need to have our look screen. We make it fastly and there. After we took it, we enter our look screen and we get connected to our passwords. In it, we can copy our email, copy our password using this first icon, or after we press on ice icon, our smartphone shows us password rich. Remember, by this icon we can share this password to somewhere or edit something in our username, passwords or note. But remember, when you change something, press save. The last thing which we can do with it is delete it from our device by delete and confirm by delete again. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.